Hi there, welcome to 0xcalls, and in this video we're going to look at the new call sniper feature. So head over to the website and on the left hand side look for the tab call sniper. Now when we select that tab you'll be brought with this interface. You can see how many total snipes have been made, how much ETH has been sniped, and the potential profits. So here you can see the different chains which are selected and available on the snipe. So we've got ETH, BSC, and AVAX. So to use the snipe feature, you need to deposit some money into your account. So that's directly into your account. In this case, we're going to use Ethereum. So on the bottom tabs down here, you'll see the option to deposit and withdraw. So first we're going to deposit some ETH into account. So let's select deposit and you'll see here that you've got a unique address. Now everyone with a unique profile has a unique address. So let's copy that. Let's go over to our MetaMask and let's look to send some Ethereum into this account. So now what we want to be able to do here is to deposit, let's say $100. So let's go over to CoinGecko. So 0.032 ETH we want to deposit in. So let's jump back over to our MetaMask. And let's go send. Let's enter the address and let's press 0.032. Okay, now let's press next and confirm. Now what that's going to do is to deposit the Ethereum into my unique 0xcalls account. From there I can then select how much I want to use on the auto snipe. So let's just wait for that transaction to go through. And within a few seconds we should see it appear in our account. Now, there's also a tab there which is withdraw. So later, once we've completed the call snipe, we'll show you how to be able to withdraw back to your account. So at the moment there, it's showing 0 ETH in our account. There we go. 0.32 ETH is now inside my 0xcalls account through sending from my wallet directly. So that means we've got this much to play with when we want to create a call snipe. Now a call snipe is when a user on the platform creates a call. You can directly, through the call snipe, purchase that call made by the caller. Now, for an example, let's look to do a auto snipe. Now let's click on call sniper on the left. Down here you'll see new call sniper. Let's click on that. From here you can select the chain. So we're going to use Ethereum as that's what we have deposited. Now you need to select the user you want to snipe the call from. Now we're subscribed to Hugo, and remember you need to be subscribed to the user in order to use the call sniper. So let's select Hugo. Now how much do we want in order to call? How much Ethereum do we want to go through? Now, we've already deposited 100, so we will need some for gas. So let's say we want to be able to purchase $30. So 0.09 is what we want. So let's go back to the amount, 0.09, $30 of Ethereum once Hugo makes a call. Now the transfer wallet, this is the wallet that the tokens will go to. So go to your wallet and select your address. Now this is the address that you want the tokens to arrive to. So let's take our wallet here, let's copy that. And let's paste it in there. So as soon as the call is made from Hugo, 0.09 ETH will be used to purchase that call, and the tokens will go directly into the wallet in this field. Now down here you've got something called optional conditions. Now if you toggle that option there, you can see you've got max price change percentage. How much of the price change percentage are you happy to have? Now, if you just leave it empty, you will get no limit. But for an option, you can put things like 10 in there. So 10% price difference from the call. You've also got an option of max gas, extra gas, and max tax. How much of a tax on the token are you willing to accept if the token called has a tax? Now, if you leave all of these empty, there will be no limit. They're optional conditions. But what it allows you to do is to really customize the snipe so that not every token called is sniped, just specific entries that you configure. Now, there's another option down here you can see, which is market cap conditions. Click that. You can see you've got minimum market cap in USD and max market cap. So you can customize the market cap of the call and whether the snipe goes through based on those requirements. Here you've got another one called minimum liquidity condition. Here you can see what's the minimum liquidity you're willing to accept. And another option down here is premium calls only. So when Hugo makes a call, if it is a premium call, you will be able to snipe that call. If it's a public call, it won't go through. So for this particular video, we're going to leave those entries empty as they are optional and we're happy to allow it either way. So let's toggle that off. Let's leave that one empty. So we've got Ethereum, we've got the Hugo caller, we've got the amount inputted, and we've got the wallet we want the tokens to go to. So we can press create. There we go, call snipe created. Now down here on the interface you will see what you've created. And you can delete or you can edit the options and customize it again. So now that's set up, let's go over to the Hugo account and let's make a call. And we then can see the snipe in live action. So this is the Hugo account here, and from this account I'm going to make a call. Now I'm going to call a token on Ethereum. So from here let's do a new call. So let's find a token. In this case, let's go to the Bobo token on Ethereum. Now let's look to make a call with Hugo. So I'll enter the address. We'll select Ethereum. And we'll make sure that it's public and we'll press create call. There we go. Hugo has just called the Bobo just now. So if we go over back to our profile of the 0x caller and we go back to the tab call sniper, we should see here in sniper logs a successful snipe of the token Bobo. Now what's really cool is you can see on Explorer here all the different inputs of how much was purchased and when it was purchased. So if we go down, we can see exactly what went on with the information that we want here, $26, 0.08. And if we go and take that particular contract address of the Bobo token, you will see that it's directly inside our wallet. So let's load our MetaMask and let's look to input that token address so we can see directly the tokens that are in there. Okay, so if we go to import tokens and we go to the custom address, we go next, you can see directly that $26 of the Bobo is inside our MetaMask. There we go. So what we've done there is we've deposited the amount of money, we set up a call, and we successfully sniped the call Bobo. Now let's say you want to then withdraw the remaining Ethereum back to your wallet. What we want to do is go to the withdraw option, and here you can see is the chain select, which is Ethereum, the asset, which is ETH, and the amount, which we can select as max. Or you can customize in the field there. Now we need to input the wallet address that we're going to deposit it to. So let's go back to our MetaMask and let's select our wallet address. Okay. Now let's input that into this field here. There we can see you have now the option to withdraw. So let's select withdraw. Just giving it a few seconds just to load. There we go, withdraw successful. So we don't need to open our MetaMask. We don't need to sign anything. We just need to input the chain, the amount, and the receiving address. So if we go over to our MetaMask, we should see now that the amount has been deposited into our account. There we go. And if we refresh this page, we should see that our balance has gone down to 0. There we go. A small amount of ETH left inside our wallet. So there we have managed to deposit ETH, withdraw ETH, and create a successful call sniper on a subscribed profile, Hugo.